bit of work with our augmented reality glasses today. Okay, that's good. We're gonna look at these fog lights. Step 1, fog lamp malfunction. It'll work. So today, we're using these instructions. We've got a holographic window here, and we've also got these guidance holograms that are gonna show us how to do something really simple. How to change a light bulb. Okay. I'm gonna go turn the fog lights on and we'll look at our problem. So, in here, we got nothing. The left side, there's no light. Left side. So here's our problem. The fog light is under this part of the lens and it's not on. Let's just verify that the other side is working. Yeah, and so this is what we want, this fog light here. So let's fix it. Step 2, remove 2 screws. Let's go to the next step. Say next step.
Next step.
So here we're being indicated which screws we got to take out. So this is pretty cool. As you can see, if you move closer here, we're getting holograms that are just kind of indicating to us we're going to be pulling 1 screw out here and 1 out down here. Okay, so let's do it. Come on in and I'll remove this screw. So let's go ahead and remove this screw here. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey on this one. One. And two. So that's how you remove a screw. Alright, so we used our screwdriver, we removed a couple of screws. It's probably important to turn the car off now because we're gonna take this housing out. We need to de-energize it. Step 3, pull housing out.
Next step.
Step 3, pull housing out. Yeah, nice. So now our guidance is showing up over here. It says that I need to pull this out, and I got 2 arrows. You can just kind of get your fingertips in here to get started. You see how that popped out? Then I like to take one hand over to the inside after I can get my fingers in there. And just gently kind of pull it out. Now it's going to be connected with that wiring harness, so don't get crazy. But let's go to the next step. Step 4. Unplug electrical connector.
Next step.
Yeah, right. So, look, I'll just kind of set... I kind of like to set these taillights like this. It's not going to go anywhere. And if you come down here close, what's this say? Unplug the electrical. Yeah, so unplugging this, if you just kind of come in here, we can see that you're going to push on this little tab on the connector. And I just kind of push that in with your thumbnail. Maybe use this other hand to wiggle this guy out of there. Yeah, great. Nice and easy does it. Okay, we're unplugged. Let's go to the next step.
Next step.
Step 5, twist bulb assembly. Great, so we've got this thing out. Now we need to follow these instructions to twist that bulb out of there. So these little tabs are pretty easy to grab. We're just like it says, we got to twist it to the left. So here we go. And after you twist it, you can just kind of pull this thing out of there. But you have to be really, really smart. There we go. All right, that looks blown to me. What do you think? Get a look at that. That's pretty dark. Okay, let's put a new one in. Okay, we got that bulb out. I got a new one here. Let's go to the next step.
Next step.
Step 6, replace with a 21 watt bayonet bulb. So look, we got our information right here in context. We got the new bulb here. So let's go ahead and replace it. This is a 21 watt bulb and it just goes in the way it came out. So there you go. Twist it back in. It's not rocket science. Well, now we just do everything we did in reverse. So first, we'll plug this in. Then you can line up these two alignment pegs where they go into the body there. That's important. Just like that. And then you can kind of snap it in. Okay, just like that. Let's test it. It's in place. What's next?
Next step.
Okay, and that's our success with our Land Rover rear fog lamp bulb replacement. We think it's gonna work, but we don't know until we turn the ignition on. Take the key, put it to the run position, pull this out twice, and then, hey, job well done. Okay, we can see that fog light's on. Okay. We're good. The bulb looks good. They're both on. Yeah, so look, this will work for your Land Rover Discovery 3 and LR3. Okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, so that's a successful mission. Come on over here, Shane. Let's show them what we're doing. So, look, me and my buddy, we're both wearing these glasses. We can see the same stuff in the same place at the same time. And we know it's a little bit overkill for changing a light bulb, ain't it, Shane? A little bit. But we're just kind of excited, or at least I am, about what these can do and what it means for the future of computers and how people can do maintenance and repairs on their own equipment and machines. So stay tuned.